Welcome to another video with www.crackrepair.co.za. Today in Glenhazel we're looking at crack repairs on boundary walls. As you can see, the structural crack from the top of the wall has run down. It's split into several sections, basically tracking the main one through the wall. As I said, through the wall, you can see it goes right through the brick and is visible on the opposite side. These cracks are difficult to fix on the surface. A layer of paint is 100 microns thick and you can't expect it to hold back bricks. Another repair by the engineers is to stitch the wall, which is what we specialize in, and obviously metal mesh. We're not going to be doing that on these walls. Each wall has a different requirement by the engineers and architects. This is a butt joint crack, as you can see here. Boundary walls are not allowed to be interconnected continuously because the law allows for every 2.5 meters for there to be a butt joint. An easy way to fix that would be to put a membrane over to keep the water out. That's about your cheapest long-term repair, and aesthetically it'll look pleasing. I'll just track the repair to the inside of the building, and as you can see, we've got some big cracks here going all the way through, which need to be removed. These walls are not interconnected, so we can expect movement going forward and structural problems. You can see what the builder does. Always run these grooves where they expect the walls to crack, but the cracks never follow the groove 100%. It meanders back and forth. There you can see another groove. The builder expected it to crack because they are independent units. They are worse when they have independent foundations, but you can clearly see these cracks. Not great. Here you can see how horrific they were built, and with the movement these two units were one initially, but due to the expanding roots of the trees it has pulled apart. You can see this crack, similarly the step with the bricks, and as the taper suggesting it's pivoting. The only way to fix this is to stitch the wall together. We have 7 systems of crack repair. If you would like your cracks fixed permanently, give us a shout and we'll reach out with a quotation. Make it a great day and follow us on further videos.